Hello everyone, this is Pritam Shah and welcome to our YouTube channel Cognitive Coders. I hope you guys are doing well, and this is our part 29 video of our Azure Data Factory RealTime scenario series. So in this video we'll see how to compare the files of source and sync path. Basically source and sync paths file we will compare, and we'll fetch the missing files if the file is not existing in the sync path. That file will fetch from the source. So let's try to understand the requirement properly. Okay, so in source we have these three files: India employees, LinkedIn user streaks, employee login. These three files it is exist. Okay, in sync path we have only employee login file, but that two files, India employees and this LinkedIn user streaks, these two files, it is not existing in this sync path. So basically we will create one pipeline and we will create one logic that it will fetch the only that two file which is not existing in the sync path. Okay, basically it will compare both the files, both the directories files, and after that whatever it is not existing in the sync path but it is existing in the source, that file only be considered and it will copy, and it will be take in the sync path also. Okay, so that thing we'll see how to do that. Before going ahead, I want to introduce our channel. This is our channel Cognitive Coders. If you guys still not visited our channel, I would request you guys and recommend you guys to visit our channel, see the videos. These videos are very much important. All the videos are basically created based on the current market requirements, based on the current market requirements. Okay, so if you are preparing for data engineering interview, these videos would be very much efficient for you guys. Okay, multiple companies interview question we have discussed here, and Azure Data Factory real-time scenarios, we have PySpark playlist also. Okay, Data Factory playlist also, you guys can go through. And if and those guys whoever every day going through but not subscribing our channel, they I would request you guys also, please subscribe at our channel. If the video is efficient for you guys, do like, share with your friends, and also comment for the upcoming contents, what kind of content you want to be more prepared for your interview, and based on the current market. Okay, so let's go without wasting time. We can start. So this is our data factory. We will create one pipeline here. Okay, pipeline 4. So first what we'll do, we'll use metadata activity. So how to use metadata activity, if you guys don't know, I would request you guys, you can go through our playlist, to the data factory playlist. There I have explained all these things. Okay, so for source we'll use source metadata. In settings we'll select our source path. Already this data sets already created, tagging pointing our source path. If you don't know how to create dataset, how to create link service, for that also you need to see our previous video, because there we have explained this very deeply or elaborately. We have given the things. Okay, in our data factory playlist also, and also in our earlier videos where we created these data sets and link services. Okay, here everything is not possible to explain in this video. Okay, so go through that video if you don't want, if you do not if you have any issues to understand. Okay, okay, so for source we have the source file. Okay, this is pointing to our source location, source directory. Okay, and in field list we will select the child item. The same thing will we'll take here. Okay, sync. Okay, sync file. Okay, so sync folder, whatever we have, for that we have this dataset. Okay. Okay, so if you want to open and check, then open it and you can check it. You can see after this demo container we have this sync directory. Okay, so these two completed. So what these two will give us return. So these two will give these two will give us the array of the file list. Okay, whatever file it is existing. Okay, here we need to select the child item. Okay, now we can run it. If we run, then it will show us the array of the files in, in source. We have these files, these three files, and in sync only we have employee login. Now for comparison we can use filter option. So filter, what we will filter, whatever it is not existing in syncs but it is existing in source, that thing, mm, that file will be filtered out and will process further. So for that reason, in item we need to give the uh, source file, source file name, source file child item. Okay, okay, in here what we will do, we'll use contains. Contains, the first would be the so here what we'll do, sync employee child item sync, and here we'll use the items. Okay, item means whatever it is from the source. So basically item means this one. Okay, so this will just compare with this. Okay, if the child items of this sync folder it is existing in the mm, in the source path. Okay, so each and in source paths each and every file it will compared. Okay, if it is existing there, then only it will give you the true condition. Okay, so let's run it and try to understand what is this will give us the output. In filter condition you can see employee login dot csv it is giving. So what if item name, whatever file name, file item it is existing in the sync path, if it is the same thing contains in the source path, that file name it is giving us the output. Okay, but we need whatever it doesn't exist. Okay, so based on this condition it is giving us the true wala value. Okay, the false wala value we need to get it. Okay, so for that what we'll do, we'll just use here one not condition. I think you guys are understanding. So basically contains in sync folder, in sync path, whatever file we have exist, that it is containing in the source path, if it is containing in the source path, so total this contain condition give us the true, and that is giving in the output. If it is not existing, some whatever file names not existing, that will give for that it is giving us the false value. So false value, to get it as a true, will use as a not condition. Okay, so now whenever we are using the not condition, now it will give us the non-existing file, which is the in source the files are existing, but in sync path it is not there. Okay, now we can see India employees and say LinkedIn user sticks. Okay, so here in sync path we don't have that files. Okay, so now what we will do, we will use the for each loop. So in for each loop, what we will do, we will use the sequential. Okay, filter one activity, value. Okay, name. Okay, so here after that what we will do, so in source this data set is already created. Okay, so we can parameterize whatever whatever the file name it is coming for, from for each loop, that thing. Okay, that as a coming as a item, so item dot name we can select it, because you can see here what in output how the data it is coming. It is coming in value, it is coming as a name. Okay, name key, so we can consider. Okay, we can consider this. Okay, and sync path, we just can select our sync path. The sync path is directly pointing out to this path only, this sync path, sync folder only. Okay, so now we can run it. Let's see if it is copying the data or not, or giving any kind of error. Two times for each loop will get executed for these two files, because we have two files which is not existing in the sync path. Is copy data activity, the first one is going on, first one successful. Okay, successfully executed. Next one, yeah, all the two copy data activities successfully executed. Now if I'll refresh, yeah, I can see both the files. Okay, LinkedIn user streaks and India employees file. Okay, so both the file is here. So this is how we can fetch the data from the source which is not existing in the sync path, comparing both source and sync location. Okay, I hope you guys have understood this concept. If you still have any kinds of doubt, you can reach out to me via topmate. This topmate, in topmate we don't charge any single penny. Okay, mm, this topmate, all the services are free. Lots of people used to connect with us to get to come to clear their understandings. Okay, we are also trying from our best to give them the understanding. Okay, and if you guys still have simple small doubt, you can comment. Or if you want us to improve our content, what kind of content you guys are suggesting, that also you can comment. I would we would try to create that kind of content, and we will reply you back on your video, on your comment also, every comment, whatever query you have regarding the video. Okay, so thank you for watching our video. If you guys still not subscribe our channel, I would request you guys subscribe our channel and stay with us, because without your support guys, we will not able to grow. You guys are the main pillar of this channel. Okay, without your support we will not able to grow. Okay, so please support us. If the videos are good for you, useful for you, share with your friends, like it, comment on the video. Okay, so thank you for watching our video. For now, bye.